What's going on, guys? Back again. I'm sorry that it's been a while from my last video. It's been about 2 months, but I've been busy doing other things. As you know, Christmas coming up and whatnot, so I haven't been able to do many videos, but I managed to get hold of this beautiful steering wheel to replace this one. So it hasn't got an airbag with it, so I'm thinking that airbag, it looks exactly the same, so I think it will slot straight on. Also got this wooden knob with it. I had to stick this on and I stuck it a bit dodgy, so I'm gonna have to take the glue off and put it on. But yeah, got that with it as well. And if you know about these, this was a bargain. I only got this for 100 quid. So and the gear knob was 20, I think. So all in all, about 120 quid with postage. So I think that's a good deal. Let me know what you think. Right, first things first, got to take this airbag out so we can get to the bolt holding the steering wheel in. And behind here, there is, at the back of here, there's 2 holes where you can get, there's another one, where you can get an Allen key or flathead screwdriver. Basically, you're pushing these pins, I don't know which way it goes, but you push them and it pops the airbag out. So I'm just going to quickly do that now. So that's one side popped off. Now I'm just going to turn the ignition on. Spin it around so I can get to the other side. There you go, airbag has popped off, and I'll show you what I did. This is a 4mm Allen key, and look, you can just see behind there, that's where I am. You feed that in, and you just literally push down like that, and that's the clip that holds it in. And now we're gonna spin the steering wheel around so it's straight, disconnect the battery, take the airbag off, and then undo that. I think it's a spline fitting, I can't remember what size, but and then the steering wheel should just pop off. Well, made a bit of a boo-boo. I was spinning the steering wheel around and the airbag went off while I had the ignition on. Luckily it didn't go off. But yeah, maybe just be careful when you're doing what I just did, because that just popped off without me realising, well, without me thinking. So yeah, that's off now. No point taking the battery off yet. I'll take this out and then take the battery off. So it is a 12mm spline, I think that's what they're called. I've already loosened it, but make sure you don't move this as well, because that's needs to be dead centre. There you go, did that easy. And then this one, hopefully just goes on like that. We'll plug that in. There we go, look at that. Do it up, do it to really effing tight. There we go. Right, now I need to put the airbag in, so let's disconnect the battery. Now that I've disconnected the battery, I'm going to hopefully plug this in without it exploding in my face. So let's do that now. Just like that. Again, it should, like last time, just be, voila, look at that. Grandad spec. Perfect. What do you think? Old? New. Old? New. Which one do you like better? Moment of truth. Will it go off in my face? Oh. Any faults? No faults. Oh, that's probably because it come off while I was so I'll have to clear that fault. So because the airbag fell off, you won't have to do this if you disconnected the battery like I should have at the start. But because the airbag fell off while the ignition was on, it's going to bring up a fault. So now I've got to clear that fault. I'll just quickly do that and then we'll see how it looks. Right, so read my fault codes. This is for the airbag. There you go, because the driver side airbag obviously got disconnected. So if I just clear that, ready? That should. Now when I turn it off and back on, there should be no airbag fault. There you go, it didn't come up with it. I haven't started the car, so when I start it, the airbag light should come off, he says. Oh wait, it's because I'm in it. One sec, put done, go back. There you go, airbag light is off. There you go, all wood all round. Right, so that's that all done. Let me know what you think. Do you think it's an upgrade? I think it's a really big upgrade. I love it. Bit of a grandad spec, but it's very subtle, so it doesn't look too in your face. Let me know what you think down below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, give us a little subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.